Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can tell if someone is on an Instagram call. So here on Instagram, just need to tap on the messages right there at the top right hand corner. And here, if the other person is currently active on Instagram, you will see a green dot on their profile photos. So if you see that the person you want to call is active, you can tap on their profile to check if they're available for a call. You'll find a green dot next to the video camera icon at the top right of your profile. This indicates that they're currently available to receive a call. But remember that they might still be busy or not interested in talking, even if they're online and available. So if you don't see the green dot, it means that the person is not available or not interested in receiving call at the moment. They may be on another call or may simply not want to answer a call. And if you see, for example, they are active 3 hours ago, meaning they are not currently active and not available for a call. So, yeah, that's how you basically tell if someone is on an Instagram call. So, if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.